Palakpakan naman po natin si Dominic, guys. Alright, once again, folks. That is Dominic, our Brahmini kite, or also known as the Banu. Now, Brahmini kites are the birds of prey, or raptor. Raptor came from the Latin word rapire, meaning to seize or to grab. And as you notice po, Kuya Michael natin doon is wearing a protective glove because all raptors have sharp and powerful talents. And by the way, folks, ngayong hapon, ipapakita ni Dominic ang kanyang hunting skill or ang kanyang hunting behavior. Alright, as you can see, folks, Dominic soar or flew and snatch his food kay Kuya Gmar. So again, isa pa daw and there you go. Perfect, not perfect yan, boy. And ayan. Alright now, guys, Brahmini guys practice our Eastern grass owl. At syempre kasama dito si Kuya Cyril. Now, Kali, are you ready to fly na, boy? Okay, at ayun na siya, folks. Itayin lang muna natin. Ayun na, Kuya Cyril. There you go. Wala ba tayong mga kamay dyan? Ayan. Alright, once again, folks, that is Kali, our Eastern grass owl. Now, folks, grass owls are predator bird or nocturnal animals. Gentlemen, their very large eyes allow them to collect as much light as possible during nighttime when they hunt. Fun fact about this animal, they are the quietest birds when they are in flight. Hindi po natin maririnig ang kanilang mga pakpak kapag sila ay lumilipad. Alright, now folks, and that's all for Kali. Palagpagan po natin sila. Yung kanyang personal trainer, si Kuya Cyril. Lakas, our white-bellied sea eagle. There you go. Palagpagan naman po. Ayan. Okay, once again, folks, that is Lakas, our white-bellied sea eagle. Siyempre kasama ng kanyang personal trainer na si Kuya Michael. At siyempre may pa-free viewing yan. Ayan. Kung gusto nyo mag-picture, ayan, kung gusto nyo i-picturean si Lakas, ayan, pwede po. Again, if you want to take some photos or videos po para kay Lakas, guys, again, pwede po. Basta folks, huwag nyo kakalimutan yung mga flash po natin, paki-turn off lang po. Baka kasi si Lakas ma-distract, folks, no? At lilipad pala yun, guys. Maraming salamat sa pag-intindi. Okay. Alright, once again, folks, that is Lakas, our white-bellied sea eagle with the scientific name of Haliactus leucogaster. Leuco meaning white and gaster meaning belly. That's why they call them the white-bellied sea eagle. The white-bellied sea eagle are commonly found near coastal areas of Australia, India, and also here in the Philippines. The white-bellied sea eagle are the second largest eagle here in the Philippines because their wingspan can reach up to 2.2 meters or 7.2 feet. So ganyan po kalapad ang kanyang mga pakpak, lalo na pag nasa adult size na si Lakas po. Alright, now guys, in the Philippines, we have 51 species of raptors. But here in Davao Crocodile Park and Zoo, we have 4 species of raptors. Namely, the Brahmini kite, the white-bellied sea eagle, the Philippine serpent eagle, at syempre ang ating Eastern grass owl. And that's all for Lakas po. Palakpakan po natin sila. Ayan, thank you so much, Kuya Michael, at syempre si Lakas. Ayan, thank you so much to the both of you. Ayan, si JJ! Ay, yan na sila, folks. O palakpakan naman natin silang dalawa, guys. Alright, once again, folks, that is Mr. Bill and JJ, our Philippine Great Hornbill with the scientific name of Buceros mindanensis. Minda meaning Mindanao, and ensis meaning belonging to. Therefore, belonging to Mindanao. As you can see, guys, their bills or ang kanilang mga tuka, it comprises 30% of its body. And also, they have long and beautiful eyelashes po. Kung makikita nyo sa malapitan ang kanilang mga pilik mata. Folks, legit na yan na, hindi sila nagpa-eyelash extension. Alright now guys, ngayong hapon magpapakita-kita sila gamit ang kanilang mga tuka. But before that, I have a job for you to follow muna. Now folks, at the count of 3, I need you to shout fly. So what's the word again? Let's practice first. Okay, 1, 2, 3, and... Hey, we have a one moment of more energy. 1, 2, 3, and... Ready na ang ating mga bisita, mga Kuya Jimar, Kuya Richie. Ready na ba ang ating mga kalaw na folks? Prepare your cameras. Mabilis lang to. At the count of 3. 1, 2, 3, and... Fly! What a perfect catch. Mr. Bill and JJ. Alright. Now guys, when you see a hornbill doing that in the wild, you are so very lucky because they're actually in mating season. In the wild, they will stay with them forever. Sana all talaga.